What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. In today's video, y'all, we are gonna be looking at some items from the Family Dollar, y'all. They had a laundry blowout clearance event or something. I don't know. That's the thing about Family Dollar. They sneak and have these items on clearance, and we have to hunt them down, find out what's on clearance in our stores and all of that. As Dollar General, they hang signs up, advertise it, and all of that. But y'all, right now they got laundry products, kitchen dish towels and stuff on clearance at the Family Dollar, and I was able to look up on some of these items. They may everybody's Family Dollar is different, so some of my prices might be higher than yours, lower than yours, or whatever the case may be. And but it's on clearance, and the clearance price is not showing up in the Family Dollar app, so I won't be really giving y'all UPCs. I'ma just give y'all some visuals, and it is up to you to go into your Family Dollar, find this item, ask the cashier or somebody on the floor to scan the item for you to see if it is indeed on clearance or not. I got these deals from Couponing with Brandy. She's another YouTuber who finds deals and does all of that type of stuff as well. You know, I'm gonna give credit when credit's due, and I don't gatekeep. So whatever I know, you are gonna know. So with that being said, like, comment, share, subscribe. Turn your post notifications to all so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. So let's get into this video so y'all can go get these items before the shelves get cleared. Because with these prices, the shelves will get cleared. Trust. Okay, y'all, here is some items right here. We got the big odor blasters, Arm and Hammer. We got the Tide Simply Pods. We got the Game Flings 42 count. The Lysol laundry sanitizer, the all laundry detergent, and some more dishcloths and kitchen towels. Okay, first off, we are gonna be looking at these 6-pack of dishcloth sets by Family Chef, y'all. They was $4. They are on clearance now for $2, y'all. Yes, $2, and you get 6 washcloths, well, dishcloths with this, and they are thick, they are not thin, so that is a plus. Then we have the 3-pack of kitchen towels to match, and they got all this little lint on there, but it ain't nothing that a washer cannot clean. And they are also thick too as well, y'all. They not them little thin dish towels and stuff you normally see. But yes, $2 for those. Now let's look at this big old thing of odor blasters, y'all. Yes, they are $6 and what, 75 cents. They was $9. We don't have a coupon except for that $5 off of the Arm& Hammer products, and that's if you buy so many you get $5 off, and that calls for a good Saturday's deal, especially on these clearance items, because it's always good to have a coupon with a clearance item because it calls for a cheaper price. Now, let's talk about these Simply Pods, y'all. Yes, they are $2.88. We have a 75 cent off, making these $2.13. They was $3.80. So, yes, y'all, plenty of savings on these items. Now we are going to be looking at these game flings. This is my favorite right here. It is the Moonlight Breeze, and it's 42 packs in there. And this shows you right there. These are $13. We have a $3 attachment, making it $10, y'all. Yes, $10 for this big old thing. And this was $16.99 at first, y'all. Yes, $16.99. We also have another one. Dag, I forgot the name of it. I probably will be inserting it, but it is well, it was ranking up $12.95 in my store, but the $3 coupon was not attaching to that one. So I was like, oh no, I'm not getting this one. But to each his own. If you feel that's a good price and can afford it, go right ahead, and I will be inserting that one. It comes in a tub like this as well, and it was ranking up $12.95 in my. I mean, yeah, $12.95 in my store. Okay, next on the list right here is this Lysol laundry sanitizer. Y'all cannot talk. And it says brand new day lavender fusion. And it is the 4 ounce. So it's the big one, y'all. And it was $5.96. We have $1.50 digital, making it $4.46. It was $7.95, and we all know these right here are expensive, and they rarely have coupons to them. Good coupons anyway. So to find this on clearance and get a coupon with it, wow, that is like fantastic. And if they had more in my store, believe me, I would have got them, but they only had one left. So yes, I snatched it up. Okay, off to the all with Oxy. It is the 54 ounce, 30 loads. Yes, y'all. It was $4.87 on clearance. We have $1 off, making it $3.87. And it was $6.50. Do y'all know how long I've been waiting on these to drop in price? And they probably was already lowered, but I never knew, because when you ring it up in the app, it shows the original price. It don't show the clearance price. That's why I said for these items you have to ask someone to scan the item for you. So take another good look at these items, and go out and get you some. And I have another 6-pack dishcloth set, and with the towels as well. And I'll probably go back and get some more for my mother, my daughter, and my son, because my oldest son, they have their own places, and these do come in handy. So I'll probably go back and snatch them up some more. I just was tired of the store, ready to go. Yeah, but y'all, that is the stuff on clearance. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. What are you waiting for? I will not disappoint. Come over here and join the family. Um, y'all, that is the end of the video. And with that being said, I will see y'all in the next video. I'm out, y'all. Peace.